Hello friends and developer, welcome to your favorite channel IVMS. This is where you learn out from being a beginner to becoming a pro web developer. So today I'll be doing another good awesome tutorial on frame motion inside Nextjs. Yes, that is it guys. I'll be teaching you how to create a simplified header using frame motion. This simplified, it's a very simple tutorial. So without wasting your time, make sure that you are inside your Visual Studio Code and type npm create npx create next app at latest app. Then make sure that you just type enter to all the following asking from the Visual Studio Code. That's how you create a simple next app. So when you're make sure this will take some time, but inside my browser. So I'm going to pause the video, then I'll come back. Then surely we are done with installing our next app. So the next simple step that I'm going to do, I'm going to say cd app to make sure that I enter the right directory. Then make sure that you press listing so that you make sure that these are the correct files that you are looking for and they are a match. So now let's clear everything. So what we're going to do, we're going to say npm install motion. This will install our motion that we are going to be using. Then so it will take some time, some few seconds to load, but this will not take time, but so that we got our motion installed inside our next app. So once I'm done with that, let's say npm run dev so that we open our development server. Yes, we are now having our own development server up and running very soon. So this is our development so that we've done with npm run dev. So I'm now going to go inside the file called pages.tsx. So this is the file that we're going to edit. So I'm going to delete everything this inside this main. Let's delete everything. Then after that, I'll create some opening and closing brackets which are empty. Then so you can see now it's now empty. So I'm now going to remove this styling that you're seeing from below, from root up to the bottom of the page. Highlight and delete. So you can see now that the CSS styling is gone. So out of that one, we are going to go inside the pages file, pages.csx. I'm going to install motion using import motion from motion. So now I'm going to create a file called components. Then inside the components folder, I'm going to create a file called hero.jsx. Then what we're going to do, we're going to say rfafc shortcut for creating a function. Just keep that memorized around. So now we're going to come inside, we're going to import this hero. So I'm going to say hero.flash forward. Then let's say import, we have, this is the import from. Then copy import from motion and paste inside the hero component, hero file. Then so we've got our motion imported inside the hero as well as the pages.csx. Then so I'm going to, now we're going to test. We're saying welcome to motion. This is just for testing coding so that we can see that our development server is up and running. Yes, it's up and running. So now I'm going to say div class app. So after that one, we're going to create another UL. This is an order listings, then listings. Then I'm going to copy this one 5 times, 2 3 4 5, yeah. Then I'm going to duplicate it again. Then so when I'm done duplicating it, we're going to say just spacing, proper spacing, so that the code looks okay. I'm going to give it a class name up. No, let me give it a class name first. Then come below, let's give it another class name second. Then so for the then I'm going to add image tags, copy them and paste them. Now I'm going to paste that text so you can see that how it looks like the first and all the listings. So I'm going to go inside my public folder. You can see this is where I'm going to paste the images that, like this image that I've pasted there. So I'm going to say image source, let's say fb.png, then ins.png, then last one is twitter.png, So you can see the images have been loaded there. So now we're done with this one. What we're going to do, we're going to go inside our global CSS and start styling. Okay, I'm going to start with first the app. I'm going to say display flex, then with the box shadow. Okay, let me reload. Yeah, there it is. Then I'm going to add for another list. I'm going to say color black, font size, display list style none. Then okay, this is it, how it now looks like. So I need to space. I'm imagine one rem, then color red for. You can say after loading, you can see we have got now the loaded. So what I'm going to do after this one, again, come back inside your browser, and we are going to, this way we are going to do our freedom motion, the most important part. Let's say use client up this so that you avoid errors. Just add use client. Then the motion, we've added motion, then you're going to spacing. I'm going to add an animate, properties, scale of opacity and scale. Then I'm going to add transition of durations, delay, and then initial properties, opacity and scale 1. Then let's come inside. If I do this, if I come inside, let me reload the page and see the first another listings. How there you can see it is loaded. There you can see this frame motion that we've been talking about. You can see how beautiful it came out. So now I'm going to start the next one, the next another listings. For this one, I'm going to first of all I'm going to add motion, the motion tags there. I've added them there. Then I'm going to create spacing, then I'm going to animate X, then opacity scale or transition, and initial opacity 0 and scale 1, then while on over scale of 2,2. So if I do this, let me come inside my browser and we reload the page. Yeah, there you can see how beautiful it is. Yeah, there it is. There you can see it come out right. Yeah, reloading. You can see the animation, how we've done this beautiful animation using HTML. So if you like my content, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thank you for watching.